systems of linear equation. Karon ang atoang pamaagi sa pag-solve sa systems of linear equation kay by substitution. Unsa man ang substitution? Pulihan nato ang variable sa iyahang value. So for example, so kung ready na mo, kuha na yung ballpen o papel para mudungan tag-solve. So for example, number 1, we have x plus y equals 2 and 2x plus 3y equals 6. Ang importante mga students nga imong identify asa imuhang equation 1 ug asa sa imuhang equation 2. Ikaw ray bahala mo pili asa nilang duha imong equation 1, asa sad ang imuhang equation 2. Ighuman nimo identify sa imong equation 1 ug equation 2, imo dayon sugdan og solve. Unsaon pag-solve? So, magpili ka sa duha ka equation, equation 1 ug equation 2, magpili kag usa ka variable nga walay numerical coefficient. So, mamili ka, tan-aw nimo ang equation 1, tan-aw sad nimo ang equation 2. So, ang akong pilion nga equation kay ang equation 1. Nganong equation 1 man ako ang pilion? Kay sayon raman siya, kay na ay x plus y is equal to 2. Mamili ra ko ni x ug ni y kung asa ang ako ang gamiton nga variable. So, ako ang gusto gamiton si x. So, ako siyang i-rewrite nga ang mabilin sa left side, x na lang. So, unsaon man na nato? By addition property of equality, y will be transferred to the other side. So, we have x is equal to 2 minus y. Or you can write it as x is equal to negative y plus 2. It doesn't matter. The answer will still be the same. So the next step is you are going to substitute the value of the value of x, which is in equation 1, to, asa mo namin substitute ang remaining equation nga wala pa nimo nagamit, equation 2. So, you have equation 2, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Unsa ganito ang imuhang ilisan nga variable? Ang x. Unsa imong iilis ni x? Negative y plus 2 because this is our value for x. So, you will have 2 times the value for your x, negative y plus 2 plus 3y equals 6. And then you are going to simplify. So, do you distribute 2? You end to the other one. So, you will have 2y, negative 2y plus 4 plus 3y equals 6. Then you combine like terms. You have negative 2y plus 3y. You will have y is equal to 6. By addition property of equality, you will have 6 minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 2. So, we already now have a value for our y. Next step is we are going to find x. To find x, we are going to use y is equal to 2 in any of the two equations. So, for equation 1, you will have x plus y is equal to 2. So, ilisa na to si y og 2. So, you have 2. So, x is equal to 2. By addition property of equality, you will have 2 minus 2x is equal to 0. Then you might ask, Mom, what if I will use equation 2? So, say for example, you use equation 2. Let us check if you still have the same answer. 2x plus 3y equals 6. So you substitute 2 to y. So you have 2x plus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So you have 2x plus 6 is equal to 6. So you have 2x by addition property of equality. You will have 6 minus 6. So you have 2x equals 0. Therefore, x is 0. So no matter what equation you use, you will still have the same answer. So therefore, our solution set is, what is our solution set? Our solution set is x is 0, y is 2. Therefore, our system, x plus y equals 2 and 2x plus 3y equals 6 is a consistent system and independent. So, I hope naka-learn mo. Kung saan na ito pagkahiba kung ang atong answer check ba. So, we will do the checking. So, our equation 1, we have x plus y equals 2. And our equation 2, we have 2x plus 3y equals 6. And our solution is 0, 2. So, meaning our x is equal to 0 and our y is equal to 2. So, we are going to substitute the values of x and y to our equation. So, for equation 1, we have x plus y is equal to 2. Is 0 plus 2 equals 2? Actually, they are equal. For equation 2, we have 2x plus 3y equals 6. So, we substitute. Is 2 times 0 plus 3 times 2 equal to 6. So, this is 0. So, you have 6 is equal to 6. If your solution set satisfies both equation 1 and equation 2, therefore, your answer is correct. Hello, so we will proceed with example number 2. So for example number 2, we have y is equal to negative 2x plus 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 5. So again, you are going to mark your equation 1 and your equation 2. Then you are going to choose which of the equation you are going to use to substitute for the other equation. So in this case, I will be choosing equation 1. Why nga no equation man akong pilion kay na si y daan sa left side and the rest are on the right side. So it's very easy for me to substitute. So I will substitute equation 1 to equation 2. So equation 2 is 2x plus y is equal to 5. Unsa man akong substitutan? Unsa nga variable ako ang ilisan? Ang y. Kay mao na nasa equation 1. So ilisan ako si y og negative 2x plus 4, which is the value of y in our equation 1. And then copy the rest of the terms, equals 5. Then you simplify. So you will have 2x, positive times negative is negative, plus 4 is equal to 5. 2x minus 2x is 0. So 4 is not equal to 5. So you have noticed that there is no value for x nor a value for y. Therefore, if this case occurs, if the left side of the equation is not equal to the right side of the equation, meaning to say, your equation is an inconsistent system. Because it is an inconsistent system, they form a parallel lines, and a parallel lines has no solution. Again, it is an inconsistent system, and there is no solution. For number 3, we have 2x plus y is equal to 2, and 4x plus 2y is equal to 4. So again, I will have this as my equation 1. This one is my equation 2. So I will choose asa man nga equation akong ganahan nga i-rewrite. So in this case, I will choose equation 1. Ngano man, kay very easy to rewrite kay si y wala na siya numerical coefficient. So therefore, I will rewrite 2x plus y is equal to 2 such that y na lang ang mabilin sa left. So by addition property of equality, you have y is equal to 2 minus 2x. This is now my new equation 1. So I am going to substitute y is equal to 2 minus 2x to equation 2. So my equation 2 is 4x plus 2y is equal to 4. Unsa gani nga variable ang akong ilisan? Y. Because you have your y and the value for your y. So you copy the rest of the terms. 4x plus 2 times the value of your y, which is 2 minus 2x equals 4. Then you simplify. So you have 4x plus 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 2x is negative 4x is equal to 4. Combine like terms 4x and negative 4x. So you have 4x minus 4x plus 4 equals 4. 4x minus 4x is 0. So what remains is 4 is equal to 4. So as you have noticed, there is no value for x and there's no value for y. But the left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. Therefore, your system is consistent and dependent. Kay consistent and dependent man, ang na-form is parallel lines. Therefore, there are infinite number of solutions. So I hope klaro na ang discussion sa duha ka methods of solving systems of linear equations. One is by graphing and the other one is by substitution. I hope na amoy na learn. Thank you very much. God bless.